Today, we are going to check out the top 5 best mountain bikes available on the market. We made this list quality price, user experience, testing, and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price on the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Huffy Hardtail Mountain Trail Bike. The Huffy mountain bike is the ideal bike for trail riding and long-distance riding. It comes with an aluminum frame and a hardtail suspension fork that can be adjusted easily to suit your weight and height. It has 21 Shimano gear shifters to adjust the terrain you are riding. This bike also has a quick-release seat clamp, making it easy to adjust the seat height. You can change it back to its original position when you need some extra space. The high-performance wheels are made of lightweight and durable aluminum at the same time. The tires are equipped with high-traction tread patterns to grip well on any terrain. The rim braking system works perfectly on this bike, as well as it provides excellent stopping power in all conditions. The Huffy bike is designed for kids from 8 to 12 years old, but can be used by anyone who needs a reliable mountain bike for trails or long-distance rides. It comes with a 1-year warranty from Huffy Corporation, which covers any material defects during regular use of this product. Number 4. Mongoose Status Mountain Bike. This Mongoose men's and women's Status 2.2 mountain bike is an excellent bike for beginners and intermediate-level riders. This bike features a light yet durable aluminum frame that fits comfortably on the trail. It has 21 speeds to choose from several gears depending on your fitness level and terrain. The suspension fork at the front of this bike helps absorb bumps in the road, making it more comfortable to ride on rough terrain. The Shimano derailleur also helps keep your chain in place while you ride over bumps or through rough road sections. The V-brakes on this bike are positioned well, so they don't interfere with your pedaling motion as you ride. The front suspension fork helps smooth out the ride, while the rear disc brake provides excellent stopping power. Number 3. Royce Union All-Terrain Mountain Bike. The Royce Union RMT 27.5 is the best entry-level mountain bike for beginners looking to start on the right foot. This bike is a durable construction and an affordable price, making it an excellent option for anyone just starting. This bike has a 21-speed gear system that allows you to pedal at different speeds depending on the terrain that you are riding. It also has disc brakes on both wheels, which provide superior braking power when stopping suddenly or climbing steep hills. The brand has thought about your best comfortability. That's why they have placed slightly raised handlebars to empower upright riding. Uprighting reduces back pain and shoulder strain. The aluminum frame provides superior strength while reducing weight and increasing durability by up to 40%. The hardtail suspension reduces shocks while riding over bumps and rocks so that you don't feel them as much when pedaling uphill or downhill. This bike weighs 42.9 pounds, which is light enough for most riders. Royce Union is accessorized with a side stitch padded seat, height and angle adjuster, alloy quick release, and suspension fork. So you can seat comfortably. Adjust the height of the seat as per your need, and customize other things to make the bike a perfect fit. Its suspension fork made it possible to ride in bumps and dips with ease. Number 2. X-Spec Folding Mountain Bike. The X-Spec 26 is a high-quality folding mountain bike with a sturdy and durable steel frame. You can easily fold up this bike for easy storage and transport. The full suspension on both wheels makes the ride smooth and comfortable. The 21-speed gear offers you more control over your speed. In addition, disc brakes on both wheels help you stop safely and quickly when needed. This mountain bike is perfect for riding on bumpy terrains or rough roads. It can be folded easily in just seconds to make storage easier. The seat is adjustable to get the right fit for comfort while riding. This MTB has a sturdy steel frame that makes it challenging yet lightweight. Number 1. Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike. Schwinn 24 mountain bike is an excellent value for money and an excellent choice for kids. It is built to last and can withstand rough usage by young riders. The bike is an aluminum frame with a hardtail suspension, making it easy to ride on any terrain. The rigid fork keeps the front wheel straight when riding off-road, allowing you to maintain a straight path while rolling on the road, even when riding on rough terrains. This bike comes with 7 speed gears, which allow you to shift through different speeds without pedaling as fast as possible or changing gears often. This feature makes it easy for your child to control their speed and helps them learn how to ride safely at an early age.